Hello everybody! I haven't made a video in a while, so I thought I would make one. So, hey it's Carmen Brown with another video of Animal Jam. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, that's my friend that I usually play with. So, yeah, you know. Okay, so what do you want to do today, friend? So, I'm going to do that. I'm going to text it down. So, what you're gonna wanna do with what you wanna do? Ooh, I want her bro. Me wanna trade. She's a member and she's a bunny. Who would wanna be that? I would have been an Arctic wolf. Oh, that is Claire, my friend. Oh, never mind. I'm just serious. Like, why would you want to do that? I mean, like, seriously. I would have kept my Arctic. So, what did my friend say he wanted to do again? So, I'll just text her. Okay. What about a fashion show? Oh my gosh, sorry. Look, let's go to the heat wave party. That's a good idea. Heat wave it is. Woo! I haven't been here in a long time. Woo! I love the swimming pool. Now I'm gonna go for a tan. Tan. Where is the sleeve? Oh. She is tanning in summer. Woo, 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 woo. So I'm gonna hang out at the heat wave party until my friend gets here. Let's see what this person got. Nothing. Let's see what this person's got. Nothing. So it's just so yesterday. This crazy lady yesterday. I was recording a video and then I didn't want to do it. Well, see, I was doing a video and then this lady's like, I'm like, trade me. I'm recording, and this girl's like, don't trade her, guys. I'm like, why? She's like, scan. I'm not even a member. I can't scan. I'm like, and then she's like, yes, you can. I'm like, you get out of here. I don't scan people. I'm too nice. And I am recording, as you can see. So, I'm like, that's a meanie. I mean, like, that is mean. Mean. Woo! Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to try to get it on here if I can. Oh yeah! Look inside you, people. Woo! Oh man, I thought he was gonna be a crush. If you know what I mean, like, I don't know. So I'm pretty bored now. So let's see what else is going on. So. A freedom party in an hour. Exciting. Okay, so me and her are gonna have a flash raid. Put something on your tray list. Someone. I'm texting her. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Oh, this is pretty good. I'm gonna put something pretty bad. Done. Cancel. Oh yeah. So I put something bad. But this is... Oh yeah, I put something pretty good. Sorry, I haven't flash rated in forever. She's gonna flash raid me. I just know it. Yeah, I'm not gonna even bother. So we're gonna go get some stuff to do because I want some stuff. I want to trade. I'm gonna follow that person in that thing. If you're watching my videos, you better wow. Ooh, she's pretty. I'll do anything for this toy. Anything, anything. Big. I got it! But I lost a hero plushie, but that's fine. I lost my dear plushie. Oh, okay, thank you. La 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 la. Beautiful, beautiful. Ugh. Awesome, 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 awesome. So it's been pretty hard finding some stuff. I've been wanting this Arctic wolf for a while, but I can't. I just can't catch it. So I'm gonna try to show you my friend. And I decided not to. Okay, so I'm out. Okay, bye. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk for the bunny. Hi guys, you wanna play with me? You wanna play? You wanna play? You wanna play? Bye 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 bye. And the party goes on. So, Animal Jam is becoming the bestest game ever. Like my friend Reese. Well, who is Pumpkin Platypus? Well, she first says that she doesn't like Animal Jam. I'm like, who doesn't? Now she's getting obsessed with it, and she got a membership, and then she started bragging. I'm like, are you serious? Are you serious? Because you didn't even like Animal Jam before. I'm like, that's bad. That is bad, bad, bad. Well, if you are a 7 Supergirl fan and you're part of 7 Supergirls, please subscribe and Joey. Well, bye.